In this video, we're going to show you how to upload and access resources on the JPersey page Catchment site. So the first thing I want to emphasize is this last tab here on the page Catchment site. It is an area where there are videos and resources that explain how to upload information if you don't want to follow along in this video or need to print something out. So the main area of concern when you're uploading information or wanting to find information that has been shared or collaborated amongst the catchment is over here on the side with the different grade levels. And so what you're going to do is find the grade level that you're trying to upload information for or the grade level that you're trying to access and get information for. So I'm going to click on grade 3. And as you can see, there's a quick little demonstration or reminder about how to upload information, the importance of being specific when you upload the resource and give it a description so that people know what it is. Putting something up like math, grade 3, is not really going to help someone. It needs to be specific about the essential learning outcomes, the unit that you're working on, things like that. So once you're at this grade 3 page, these buttons down here are the buttons that you're going to use to upload a resource. So the first one is add a file, and this is pretty basic. You click on add a file and it's going to reference your computer and upload something like a PDF, a Word document, a PowerPoint, something that's local on your computer. The next one is add a link. This is simply a URL to the internet, so this could be referencing a website, it might be a Web 2.0 tool, something that you think would be important that is on the internet. The next one is add from Drive. This means that the document is sitting in your Google Drive. So it's a Google Doc, it's a Google slide presentation, something that's in your Google Drive already. Once more and more resources get created, you can also create folders here so that everything's not just all in one area, but it's specific to math or science or language arts, things like that nature. So now I'm going to quickly demonstrate how to add a file, add a link, and add from Drive. So add a file, you click on it, and this is going to reference your computer. So if it's sitting on your desktop, go grab it. If it's somewhere on your F drive or your P drive, go find that piece of information or that document and upload it. So I'm going to pretend that this is my grade 3 math assignment that I want to upload. I double click on that document. It uploads it with the same naming convention. If you hover in the middle of the document that you just uploaded, you'll see a yellow little bar appear. You're going to want to click on that, and this is where you're going to put in that detailed description of what this is and how it might be used. So that's the easiest way to add a file. Adding a link, you simply click on add link. It's going to say add a file from the web paste in an URL, the text to display, and the link description. So let's just say that I was at Alberta Education's website already, or the Web 2.0 tool that I wanted, and this is the site or the page I want people to reference. I triple click here, copy it, or Control C it at this point, go back to your site, Control V or right click and paste and put in the URL. What is the text that you want to display? I'm going to call this Alberta Education. And again, I'm going to write in a detailed description. For the sake of time, I'm not going to do this in this video, but you're going to put in a good description there, and then you're going to add it. The link is then going to appear in a couple seconds. And again, you can hover over in this yellow area here and put in another description, or even change the description if you want. The next area is add from Drive. So when you click on that, that's going to go into your Google Drive, and you're going to look within your Google Drive to find the presentation that you want to upload. If you can't see it right here or by scrolling in this area, then what you're going to want to do is just click here and click on that area and type in what you're looking for. So I'm going to upload this one here and say select. And then it's going to upload. One thing to remember though, that because this is a Google Doc, just because it's on this page Catchment site does not mean everyone's going to automatically have access to it. You're going to want to make sure that the rights on that Google document are set up properly so that anyone with the link or anyone EPSP can view this or edit this depending on what you want them to do. If you want to put on a folder so that things are specific to that folder, go to the Move section, click on there and say New Folder. Type in the name of the folder that you want. So I'm going to type in math here and save it. If the site guides one is supposed to be under math, then simply click on the box, go to move to, and say math. Again, if I want to make a new folder, click on new folder. I could call this science, click on save, and then move this one here by clicking on it, move to, and say to science. Of course, if you upload something by mistake or you want to move it, so let's say I didn't want this link up, click on the box and click delete. it's going to get rid of it. If you put something under the wrong folder, click on the box, say move to, and then move it to the one that you want. So it's in math now. I want to move it into science. It simply moves it over there. So this is how you can add a file, which again, this is a PDF, a Word document, a presentation, a link, something referencing something on the internet, or something within Google Drive. Lastly, don't forget again about this last page, which has a Google Doc on it that explains to you how to upload different things. And there's also some other videos here how to bookmark this site. Hope this video helped.